Well, there's a new playground for them today. It's always an exciting day when the husband's home, so I thought that we would do a little vlog today. I didn't even know he was gonna be home today. He just told me like last night. So we have quite a few things planned today. I have a dentist appointment. Are you hauling logs too? Yeah. Sure is a different view without those trees. Whoop whoop! That's my man. I'll give you a little garden tour. There's not much to see yet. We put up the cattle panels this year, and the tomatoes are on that one there, and they're like slanted so that tomatoes can like lay on them and maybe over the top of them, and then we can pick tomatoes from underneath. And this one is for the cucumbers. So the cucumbers should grow all the way around it. And my son put this little path here, which I thought was really cute. And over here we have like the sweet peas, so they can grow up that one. The middle zucchini, and then we have one there and there. And I have a couple new seeds coming up too, so we'll have them, you know, like continually throughout the year. Right here is a little broccoli plant that my daughter planted. He's going to wreck my garden tour, so I'm gonna have to finish up later.
It's out of gas.
Oh, it is? Yeah. Okay. My zucchinis look good, but I started those in the house, so they're doing good. Watermelon. I saved these seeds myself from some pie pumpkins, some heirloom. Now, something ate at the base, and so I hope they survive. I don't know. We'll see. Back here is my daisy patch. I'm excited for all the daisies that will be in there. And here's little radishes. And there's carrots in this one. They haven't come up yet either. And yeah, you look good today. Did you go get dressed? Nice. And back here at the top is all my little zinnias, sunflowers, and lupines. Everything looks so little right now though. And this is what gardens look like in Michigan on June 2nd, because we have such cold springs. And alongside the garden I have dianthus planted, and they're just starting to pop. They come back every year. And that is a garden tour for now. After just like a week of being planted, I think. I'm excited. We'll see how this garden turns out this year. There's definitely a couple more trees that I could have come down so that it has better sun, but we'll work on that. And I planted my window boxes. I'm so excited about them. Still going. So I just got back from the grocery store, and here's all my groceries. Do your husbands ever put things in the back of your car, and then you get to get groceries or something, and you're like, my husband does this all the time. Usually it's like a spearfishing gun or fishing poles or who knows, but my husband just always puts things in the back of my van. And today they are old-fashioned wooden steel sleds that we were going to take back to my parents, but they are in the back of the van. But thankfully I didn't need very many groceries. I just got a couple things, and yeah, we're gonna go to the beach, I think this afternoon we decided to, so we're gonna pack a lunch or eat a quick lunch and head off to the beach. But while I was gone, they cleaned up the whole tree mess, and it's only been an hour. I had to run to the dentist and just quick to the grocery store. It's been maybe a little over an hour and it's done. It's gone, and it looks so open right there. Good work! Focus, focus. Okay, so I'm just gonna unload these groceries, and yeah, I wanted to tell you that my dentist appointment went really well. I was so happy after I left there because I don't probably need a root canal, so I was expecting to have to get one. But I guess back in, was it, I don't know, several months ago, I got a crown, and it just, ever since they put it in, the temporary was fine, but ever since they put the crown in my mouth, every time I would chew anything on that side, it just hurt. And he thinks that it was just my bite, which is what I was hoping. I was hoping for. So I am like so excited today that I don't need a root canal, because I've been kind of dreading that for a while. Hey you! You gonna help me with the groceries?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Are you coming out, Kate? Watch out, Liam. Here comes Kate. She's gonna take the girls for a golf cart ride. Careful. Such a beautiful day. Ah, and I'm so happy that I don't need a root canal. Woohoo! Here's a garage update. We still have not stained the trim, but we did paint all the walls. And I still have to get some organization going on here. I'm gonna paint that door black so that you can't see all the dirt. And I think we're gonna keep the shoes off the step completely, and we're gonna coat it with something that I can mop. And then the shoes are gonna go here. Like, we're gonna organize something here so they can take off their shoes, then up on the step and into the house. That way we won't track in so much dirt. And put a bench there. I don't know. Oh, thanks, Gabe. And we just bought a paddleboard a couple months ago. We were gonna take it to Florida with us, but we thought it'd be kind of a hassle to drag it around too much, so we decided to leave it at home. So now that the weather is nice, we are gonna head out to the lake and we're gonna try it out. Exciting. Plans changed a little bit because my husband decided to go and rent a stump grinder to grind up the stumps. That way we can get it all finished today. But yeah, I was gonna pack a lunch to take it to the beach, but I think we'll quick eat lunch here and then I'll just pack some snacks and then we'll be heading. We're gonna have some mango kombucha. The kids love it. Do you like it? Yeah? Okay, here we go. Ready, set, pop it. I can't do this with the camera. Didn't fly everywhere. That's a good sign. Sometimes we have them explode a little bit. Hi! Wake from your nap. Are you happy, girl? Setting the paddleboard up. Yeah, we're gonna use it for the first time. I can't tell if I have all my kids.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, we're good to go.
Can I have one?
Yeah, go put your seatbelt on, babe.
Okay.
Where's Sarah?
Hi, Mom.
In the middle?
Sayla, you in there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so bummed this beach is closed. I had no idea that it would be closed. So we'll try to find another one. I think it's mostly because of the high water and then it got damaged. This beach got damaged and they're kind of repairing it right now. So that's why we're bummed. Look at all these pretty flowers. It's a pretty day. So we found another beach, but it's a little bit closer to town. So this one's a little busier. We like our nice country beach. First time out, we gotta figure out how to get it past these waves. ready to climb up all those steps. It's a lot of them. Ready, go, go, go! Did you all have fun? Yeah. I can't see you. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Oh, there you are. There you are. Put your seatbelt on, babe. Take your life jacket off first. Then you gotta put your seatbelt on. Ooh, that was fun. I bet you're exhausted.
Nope.
All that wood chopping this morning.
Good. It was good exercise today.
That's good. We are heading out and I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you all enjoyed and I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Somebody fell asleep on the stairs when she got home from the beach. Poor baby.